As a part of our ongoing support, we provide our clients with the ability to send us support requests through the support portal. We have launched it in June 2017. Since that time, we have received more than 500 requests. And as you can see, the most of them, probably 99% of them have been resolved successfully. We measure the customer satisfaction with a short feedback form after the issue had been resolved. So the average rate right now is 4.8 out of 5, and we've received more than 70 feedbacks at this moment. According to our service level agreement conditions, time to first response is 1 hour and time to resolution is 8 hours. Depending on the plan that you have subscribed to in RigER, it could be basic, business, enterprise. We provide different level supports, different supports level, and the time to resolution can be even reduced if you on the highest plan. And we encourage you to use our support portal because it works better than emails, and tickets will never be missed, and you will be staying on top of our intention all the time. One of the also useful feature in the support process of RigER, we have launched the Learning Center. We are fulfilling the contact on this Learning Center right now, and this is the system that actually allows you to search the content and search the answers on your question, just typing the your question in the search field. And if we have already included the article and answer on this question, you will find it right away from the RigER Support Center. So support portal is connected with the Learning Center, and when you submit your support request to us, we can reply to you with the article from the Learning Center.